Hey, this is the health coach and herbalist. In today's video, we're going to talk about what a health coach is, and I'm not trying to insult anybody's intelligence, but over time I've heard some things and I just wanted to speak to that. First, we'll talk about what a health coach isn't. A health coach isn't a dictator. They're not the boss of you. They're not there just to tell you what to eat and how to work out. A health coach is not perfect. A health coach is not useless. Okay, now let's talk about some of the things that a health coach should be or is. So let's think about a friend, that friend that urges you or nudges you to do certain things or helps you try to figure out some issues that are going on, or just like anybody else, some people know about certain things and they're able to explain it well to others, while you have your certain things that you know that you're able to explain it well to others. Health coaches can help educate as well, and basically they're that bridge. So your doctor only has so much time with you if you're under a doctor's care, right? They have hundreds of patients, so they don't have an hour to sit with you and try to figure out what your particular thing is, because you might be at the doctor's office and they're like, okay, you need to lose some weight. Sounds great, right? But the thing is, maybe you try different things and it's just not working out for you, or it's not going as quickly as you expected. I don't believe in quick weight loss regimens, but maybe it's just taking several months and you're not really seeing any results. So that's where the health coach comes in. And actually, some doctors do have health coaches on their staff to help bridge that gap. They help patients implement the goals. And that's where a health coach comes in. So those are the things that health coaches are. A health coach isn't perfect because, of course, they're human too, but it does mean that they should be striving to increase or improve their health as well. Also, it's better if a health coach is working in the area where they have had experience, not just maybe on book and paper, but also lived experience, or has been immersed around people that have that lived experience. A health coach should also have, a level of empathy and compassion and understanding, and that comes from that lived experience. And in health coaching, what I definitely have noticed as a health coach is that you actually improve with every client that you help, you also improve your own self as well. So that's just the awesome reward of being a health coach and helping others. All right, everyone. Thank you for watching and take care.